The average person tries dieting 4 times a year and fails. Even worse, some fad diets can be harmful to your health.
Tired of falling for and then failing at fad diets? Then take the Pledge, easy to follow lifestyle pledge. Research shows people on a Mediterranean lifestyle lose 52% more weight and gain 30% less weight as they age compared to low-fat diets. Then simply make 3 lifestyle choices from a list of 5, such as replacing fried foods with grilled or baked options. Avoid sugary drinks. Avoid refined flour, white rice, and sugar. Drink 5 12-ounce glasses of water daily or take 7,500 steps a day.
First weight loss system developed around the Mediterranean lifestyle, which combines healthy choices like fresh vegetables, whole grains, and good fats with regular daily activity like walking. 3 easy-to-follow lifestyle choices. It's a transformation that will change your life.
Hi, my name is Marie-France Garon. I have been a part of the health and wellness industry for over 20 years, and I have helped thousands of people just like you get better health, lose some weight, and create sustainable new healthy habits for life. Transforming our health and choosing healthy lifestyle is like a marathon, not a sprint. And I personally had an amazing transformation. I lost 25 kilos, 55 pounds. I have more energy. My skin has improved tremendously. My hair is looking healthier. I have more self-confidence, and I'm feeling overall so much better. I am so happy and grateful that all those years ago, I made the decision to take control of my health and embark on this marathon for myself, as well as changing the lives of so many. First of all, congratulations. If you've just completed the 5-day Slimdown Kickstart, you've already done something powerful for yourself. You've reset habits, reduced sugar, and also introduced intermittent fasting. But most importantly, you've proven to yourself that change is possible. Slimdown 30-day transformation is not about dieting, counting calories, or pushing your body harder. It's about learning simple habits that fits into your real life. Habits that you can keep long after these 30 days are finished. Over the next 30 days, we're going to focus on a few key things. Eating in a way that nourishes your body. Learning gentle intermittent fasting. Drinking enough water. And also walking regularly. And most importantly, building trust with yourself again. You don't need to be perfect here. You don't need to catch up if you missed a day. This program works because it's simple and repeatable. Each day, you'll be guided step by step, one habit at a time, one focus at a time. My role here is to remind you that you are not broken and your body is not working against you. And lasting results come from consistency, not intensity. If at any point you feel overwhelmed, slow down. This is not a race. And before we dive into day 1, I want to explain how to use this program so you can get the best results possible. Each day inside Slimdown 30-day transformation has been designed with intention. You'll notice that we focus on one main habit per day, and that's on purpose. This program is not about doing everything at once. It's about stacking small habits that naturally build on each other. Here's how I recommend that you use this program every day. First, watch the daily video. Let it set the tone for your day. You don't need to memorize everything, just listen and absorb. Second, focus on the habit of the day. That's it. If you do nothing else, do that one habit. Third, keep your meals simple. Repetition is your friend. You don't need new recipes every day. You need meals that works for you. Fourth is move your body gently. Walking is enough, but if you add lightweight exercise, it's a bonus. You don't need a gym or intensive workouts. And finally, be kind to yourself. This is not about willpower, it's about building trust. Some day will feel easy and some day won't. Both are normal. If you miss a day, don't stop. Just continue with the next one. The magic of Slimdown 30-day transformation is not in doing it perfectly. It's in showing up again and again. By following the daily guidance, listening to your body, and staying consistent, you're creating habits that will support you for life. By the end of the 30 days, my hope for you is that you will say, this is actually doable and I can keep going. So take a deep breath. You're exactly where you need to be. Let's begin one day at a time.